Beyond Venice's crowded canals, flamingos are taking up temporary residence in the lagoon outside the city. Over the decades, this fragile ecosystem has been profoundly altered, above all by the demands of port and industrial activities. But the scientists and environmental groups working to restore these wetlands say a sharp rise in the number of flamingos may be a sign their efforts are paying off.
In the past 20 years, the number of flamingos in the lagoon has increased very significantly, especially last year's numbers were the highest ever. We still have to be careful when we're trying to, claim that there's a certain trend, because nature is very complicated. There's so many factors, some that change on a short term, others that are changing on the long term.
A project funded through the EU Horizon 2020 program is taking shape, an initiative designed to bring part of the lost ecosystem back to life.
Where we are now is a reconstructed wetland where sediments from port maintenance activities have been pumped into this contained area, and the idea is that it develops the ecological functionality of natural salt marsh.
The presence of flamingos in the lagoon underlines the importance of the Venetian ecosystem and offers a new way for visitors to interpret the canal city and its many islands through their ecological and not just historical and artistic significance.